Hi. So today we are going to roll to a target. All right. So I've got tabletop bowling going on over here. I'm using rolled up towels as my bumpers. And I happen to set up some cups at the end as my bowling pins. You're welcome to use water bottles. You're welcome to use markers and stand them up at the end and get them knocked over. The choices are limitless, so it's your choice. You decide. But for me, I used cups at the end. So right down here, you're going to see my cup. You can see here is my order of towel on that side and on this side. Okay. So what we're going to do today is you can use rolled up socks. Here's a pair of socks that rolled up, my daughter's socks, rolled them up. And we can use this as our ball to roll down, to throw, to toss, to push. Okay, you can use little stuffed animals. Here's a little dog with red ears. Here's a pink little dog right here. We can use these. Anything small that'll, about fit in the size of your hand. I also have a ball, and you can use any of that. So let's start with something simple like a pair of socks rolled up, and let's see how it goes. So here's our target, and we are going to push to the target. All right, got two knocked down. Okay, now I can either push again and knock some down. All right, you can try it that way. We can also practice throwing to a target. We're still releasing, so we want to toss it underhand. We can toss it. So that was being tossed underhand. We can also practice with a ball. So here's a ball. We can roll it. Okay. Or, since I know we like to throw, as our reward towards the end, we can practice throwing with a ball, or you can practice throwing with your favorite small stuffed animal. Okay. So here we go. We can throw. Oh, I missed it. Or we can throw like that. So let me know what you decided to do and how many successful times that you were able to throw to your target. All right. Have a great time. Can't wait to see your video you send me. Talk to you guys later. Bye.